This is my good side, so I'm probably going to be looking this way for the whole video. For mixing, you need a glass, a small glass or a small container. You need something to mix it with. I'm using this tiny stick right here. You need gloves. You need the food color, of course, and hair conditioner. You put the hair conditioner in the mixing thingy. And you put like 2 teaspoons full of hair dye into it, and you just mix it till all the lumps are, dissolved. Like that. The mistake I made was that I didn't comb out my hair when I applied the dye. So basically that's it, how to dye your hair teal with food color. So people are asking about side effects. I personally didn't experience any side effects, that is on my hair, no breakages, no. If anything, it just made it softer, but of course it was softer already because of the deep conditioner I do regularly. One major side effect is that the color stains your hands a lot. It stains hands, like every time you're styling your hair, your hand just decides to become your hair in terms of the color. So I guess that's the only side effect. If your family starts giving you bullshit about the color of your hair, there's always a way to get it out. That's one of the things I like about using food color to dye my hair, is that I can take it out anytime I want and change the color. So please subscribe. I'm going to post a video on how I got the teal color out of my hair using baking soda. So did it work? Did it not work? I don't know. Stay tuned. So like, subscribe, share for more of this juju magic. You know the drill. Do something. Positive vibes only. Go forth and be awesome. Juju.